In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit components in Webflow. Whether you're new to Webflow or just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel comfortable making changes to your components in no time. First, let's get started by searching for Webflow in your browser. Once on the Webflow website, you'll want to either log in to your existing account or sign up if you're a new user. This will give you access to your Webflow dashboard, where you can manage all your projects. After you're logged in, you'll need to select the specific site you want to update. This is where all your web design projects are organized, so choose the one you're currently working on or wish to edit. Once you've selected your site, it's time to dive into the canvas where the magic happens. Now, locate the component you'd like to edit on your Webflow canvas. This could be anything from a button, a navigation bar, or any other reusable element in your design. To make it easier, visually scan the canvas to pinpoint where your component is situated. Once you've identified it, the next step is to double-click on the component instance. This action will initiate the editing mode, where you can begin making changes. But double-clicking isn't the only way. You have a few additional methods at your disposal. For another approach, you can right-click on the component instance. This will open a context menu, and from there, you simply need to choose Edit Component. This is a handy option, especially if you prefer using your mouse for quick access to commands. Alternatively, if you prefer a structured view, use the Navigator panel. Locate the component in the list and select it. Then, click on the Edit Component icon to enter edit mode. This method is particularly useful if you have a complex layout and want to ensure you're selecting the correct element. For those who enjoy working from the right panel, you can also select the component instance and find the Edit Component icon located at the top of this panel. It offers a more streamlined and accessible way to get into edit mode, especially when you're taking advantage of Webflow's versatile interface. In edit mode, you now have the freedom to modify the component's elements, change styles, adjust settings, and make sure the component reflects your design intentions. Finally, after making all your desired changes, it's time to return to the main canvas. You can do this by simply clicking outside the component instance or using the back button, depending on your preference. That's it. You've successfully edited your component in Webflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy designing!